Hi, this is Maddie from Innersense, and I'm going to tell you about our new Refresh Dry Shampoo. Now, typically, dry shampoos come in an aerosol can that you just spray everywhere, chemicals, you're in a cloud, it gets on my face, my clothes smell like it, or you have the powders that you have to take a brush and put it in your hair, and they never fully disperse, and you've got white patches everywhere. This is different because you just use one pump, and I'm just going to start out with one because it's really buildable. I'm going to put it on my fingers, and then I'm just going to massage it onto my scalp. I can control exactly where it goes. I know exactly where it needs it. It doesn't go anywhere on my face or on my clothes. I'm going to focus a little bit on my ears. That's where my oily parts are, right next to my face. I'm going to use the back. And the ideal way to use this is to let your hair air dry. Because if you use a hair dryer, if you're just kind of in a pinch and you need to use a hair dryer, it doesn't allow it to fully absorb all the excess oil. So you really want to let it just air dry, absorb all the oil, and my hair is so full and voluminous, and it just, you can see that it's breathable, it's not sticking. I can run a hairbrush through it, it's not tangling.